Legiit is an online freelance marketplace where you can offer and sell your services to clients worldwide. Here's how to make money on Legiit. Create a professional profile. Sign up on Legiit and build a detailed professional profile. Highlight your skills, experience, and what makes you unique. Use a clear profile picture and write a compelling bio to attract potential clients. Offer high-demand services. Identify popular services on Legiit such as SEO services, content writing and copywriting, graphic design, web development and WordPress customization, digital marketing. List multiple services to increase your chances of getting hired. Optimize your service listings. Create clear and attractive service listings. Use eye-catching titles, detailed descriptions, and showcase your work through high-quality images or video samples. Offer different price packages to cater to different budgets. Promote your services. Share your Legiit profile on social media platforms, forums, and business groups. Use SEO keywords in your service descriptions to improve visibility on the Legiit search engine. Deliver quality work and build reputation. Provide excellent service to earn positive reviews and repeat clients. High ratings improve your profile ranking and attract more customers.